let's do practice exercise 2. Find the value of another stupid looking expression. Now I am sure many of you know how to solve it by the conventional methods, so I'll not waste my time on this, but I'll give an alternate approach to solve such questions. As long as you know that root 3 is 1.732, we should be able to solve the question. Now this expression, I can write it as 28 plus 10 into 1.73 raised to power half minus 7 minus 4 into 1.73 raised to power minus 1 by 2. So effectively all I am doing is I am converting this question of algebra into a question of numbers. I am just calculating the value as we would do if we had a calculator. Okay. So this becomes 28 plus 17.3 makes it 45.3. Under root of 45.3 minus 4 into 1.73. 1.73 into 2 will be 173 into 2, 346. 346 into 2 will be 692. So this is 6.92. So 7 minus 6.92. 7 minus 6.92 will be equal to 0.08. So this becomes minus 0.08 raised to power minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but under root of 45.3 minus under root of 1 by 0.08. Okay, because minus 1 by 2, this is 0.08 raised to power minus 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 upon 0.08 raised to power 1 by 2. Okay, so which is why I have written it like this. So I'll just look at the second part now, this portion. Under root of 1 upon 0.08 is nothing but 100 upon 8, which is equal to under root of 100 upon 8 is 12.5. So this effectively becomes 45.3 under root minus under root of 12.5. Now I know that this number 45.3, what will be the under root of this? I know that 7 square is equal to 49. So this number will be less than 7. Similarly, this number will be more than 3. So 45.3 is less than 7 and 12.5 is greater than 3. So my answer should be less than 4. This implies this difference should be less than 4. Let's look at the choices. A is less than 4, B greater than 4, C greater than 4, D greater than 4, E greater than 4. Correct answer, choice A. So when you have such question and if you are a little bit comfortable with numbers and calculation, you can actually calculate the values rather than trying to rationalize or apply some formula. Go straight into it, do some calculation, get the answer. Okay. Now if you say this part looks difficult, how do I say this thing my answer? Calculate the value. For example, 45.3, we don't know the square root. We know 7 square is 49. What is 6.5 square? 65 square, all of you should know 65 square will be 4225. So 6.5 square will be 442.25. So I can say this number could be about 6.7. So I'll say this is approximately 6.7. Similarly, when I look at 35 square, under root 12.5 is what we need to find. 35 square is equal to 1225. So 3.5 square should be 12.25. So this number should be under root of 12.5 should be approximately equal to 3.6. So you could even say this is about 6.7 minus 3.6. So my answer should be approximately 3.1. Choice A hence is the correct answer. Okay. I hope this helps, and you'll find that many times it is better to solve the question this way than apply any formula. But if the choices were close, for example, if the choices were 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, maybe I would not have done it. Okay. So look at the choices. Choices are not close. Straight away apply, calculate the values and get the answer.